Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is A Unique Home Automation System through MEMS based appliance control. So here we are using an AT89S52 microcontroller, 8-bit microcontroller, total 40 pin IC, 4 ports. So port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. So port 2 it is connected with MCP3208 ADC, successive approximation, 12-bit ADC. It is working under SPI protocol. So we are sending the data to via SPI protocol. And here we are using ADXL335 MEMS accelerometer sensor to control the appliances XYZ, XX minus, YY minus. So LED1, LED2, LED3 and 16 cross 2 LCD display. RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7. It is connected with the port 0. P0.1, P0.3. RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7. 0.4, 5, 6, 7. And one SPDT relay, single pole double throw relay. Purpose of the relay is to switch on and off the AC bulb. And one driver AC, one DC fan. So one LED. 3 LEDs are connected with the P3 cap 4, 5, 6, 7. And relay also P3 cap 7. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using an bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. AT89S52 microcontroller. Port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. Port 0 it is connected to 16 cross 2 LCD display. Port 2 it is connected with MCP3208 ADC, and here we are using a MEMS accelerometer sensor ADXL335. And here port 1 cap 3 it is connected with one BC547 transistor and one fan. So here P3 cap 4, 5, 6 and 7. So port 3 cap 4 LED1, LED2, LED3. Port P3.7 it is connected with the relay and AC bulb. Let's go into the output part. Okay, so now switch on the power. Okay, so home automation. Okay, now restart home appliance control. Okay, so x coordinate, y coordinate. X is x coordinate value, y coordinate value, and it is showing as a normal. Okay, so now I am bending one side. So fan on, LED 1 on, fan on. Now I am bending one side. Fan off, LED off. Okay, bulb on, 2 LEDs on. Okay, bulb off, 2 LEDs off. Fan on, bulb on, LEDs on. Bulb off, fan off, light off. We can control more appliances as also, and we can add the programming part. We can add for Z axis also. Here I am using only XY coordinates. Just XY coordinates we are going to control. LED 1 and bulb 1, fan 1. LED 2, fan off, LED off. Bulb on, LEDs on. And then go to normal. Now I am opening the code, Keil software. So here the Keil. So 8051 P1 cap 3 fan bulb LED 1, LED 2, LED 3. And home automation using MEMS accelerometer. Depend upon controlling the XY coordinate, fan on, bulb on, like that. So we are executing this code and we are dumping the program. Desktop shortcuts, USB flash programmer. Using this USB flash programmer, we are dumping the program. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.